In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate. Welcome to this educational video on the rituals of Hajj, based on the classical book Manasik al-Hajj by Imam Muhammad ibn Abd al-Wahhab, with explanation by Dr. Nasser bin Abdul Karim al-Aql. This summary is drawn entirely from the Arabic edition published by Dar al-Watan, first edition, 1423 AH. Purpose of the book. The book was written to serve as a concise and clear guide to performing Hajj and Umrah, according to the Qur'an, the Sunnah, and the way of the early generations, al-Salaf al-Salih. Imam Muhammad ibn Abd al-Wahhab compiled this brief work in response to those who asked how to properly perform the pilgrimage. Dr. Al-Aql reviewed the book, added footnotes, hadith sourcing, and a brief biography of the author. Who was the author? Muhammad ibn Abd al-Wahhab, 1115-1206 AH, was a scholar born in al-Uyayna in Central Arabia. He traveled to Mecca, Medina, Basra, and other centers of Islamic knowledge. His call focused on pure monotheism, tawhid, and the rejection of religious innovations, bid'ah. He played a major role in the religious reform of the Arabian Peninsula by reviving the teachings of the Qur'an and the Sunnah, Ihram, and the types of Hajj. Imam Muhammad ibn Abd al-Wahhab describes 3 types of Hajj: Ifrad, performing Hajj alone; Qiran, performing Hajj and Umrah together under one Ihram; Tamattu, performing Umrah, exiting Ihram, and then entering again for Hajj. Tamattu is considered the most virtuous, as it was encouraged by the Prophet Muhammad. Arrival in Mecca. Upon entering Mecca, the pilgrim begins with a key tawaf, circumambulation, around the Kaaba, starting from the black stones saying, Bismillah, Allahu Akbar. Then the pilgrim prays 2 rak'ahs behind Maqam Ibrahim, drinks from Zamzam water, performs sa'i between Safa and Marwa, completing 7 circuits. Pilgrims performing tamattu then shave or trim their hair and exit Ihram. The days of Hajj, 8th Dhul Hijjah, Yawm at-Tarwiyah. Pilgrims re-enter Ihram from their residence in Mecca and proceed to Mina, praying shortened prayers, qasr, without combining them. 9th Dhul Hijjah, day of Arafah. Pilgrims move to Arafah, combine and shorten Dhuhr and Asr, and remain in supplication until sunset, repeating, La ilaha illa Allah, wahdahu la sharka lah. This is the most important day of Hajj, as the Prophet Muhammad said, al-Hajj Arafah. Hajj is Arafah. After sunset, pilgrims travel to Muzdalifah, combine Maghrib and Isha, sleep, and pray Fajr early the next morning. 10th Dhul Hijjah, Eid Day. On the morning of Eid, pilgrims stone Jamrat al-Aqaba with 7 pebbles, saying Allahu Akbar each time slaughter their sacrifice, required for Tamattu and Qiran. Shave or trim their hair, shaving is preferred for men. This marks the first level of release, Tahallul Awwal. All acts become permissible again except marital relations. Days of Tashreeq, 11-13 Dhul Hijjah. Pilgrims remain in Mina and stone all 3 Jamarat each day after Zawal, midday. Al-Jamra al-Sugra, small. Al-Jamra al-Wusta, middle. Al-Jamra al-Aqaba, large. After completing the ritual on the 12th, a pilgrim may leave Mina or stay until the 13th, which is considered better. Farewell Tawaf. Before leaving Mecca, the pilgrim performs the Farewell Tawaf, Tawaf al-Wada, 7 circuits around the Kaaba. This is obligatory, except for women who are menstruating at the time of departure. We hope this guide provided clear insights into the steps of Hajj. If you found this content beneficial, like, share, and subscribe for more educational videos. May Allah accept the Hajj of all pilgrims and grant us all the opportunity to visit His sacred house. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.